You can use Copilot to create an AI-powered marketing text for your items in Business Central. Now, first you need to make sure that the feature is enabled. So let's go to Feature Management. Next, search for Copilot. And then check if the Create AI-powered product descriptions with Copilot feature is enabled for all users. Now, if that's the case, let's open the item list and let's open an item cart. So in this example, I will use the Sydney swivel chair green. Now, what is very important if you want to use Copilot to create a marketing text is that you enter as much as possible item attributes for the item, because the marketing text is based on the item attributes. So here you can see that the color is green, there's a depth, a width, a material description, and so on. So next I can click here on the action Draft with Copilot, and you will see that Copilot will generate a marketing text. So this is the first example, spin around in comfort and style with the Sydney swivel chair. And here in the text you will see that the item attributes appear, like 110 centimeters, the color green, and so on. Now, if you're okay with the marketing text, you can keep it, and then it will be inserted here in the marketing text fact box at the right. However, if you want to generate a new text, you can click on Regenerate, but first you can also set the tone. If you prefer a formal tone, a casual tone, and so on, you can select one of the options. You can also select different formats, like a tagline, a paragraph, a tagline, and a paragraph. So here you can see the tagline and then the paragraph. And there are also several options for the emphasis that you can select, like innovation, sustainability, power, and so on. So in this case, I would like to emphasize reliability. And next I can click on Regenerate. And a new text is regenerated based on the emphasis that I've chosen. So in this case, the marketing text is okay. I can give a thumbs up, so a like, so that you can also provide feedback to Microsoft. And next I can click here on Keep It. So now you will see that the marketing text is inserted here in the fact box, and I can use it in, for example, my Shopify web shop, or when communicating with my customers.